Welcome to the series for proportional applications. The first one we'll look at is proportions using unit rates. For example 1, it says, suppose that 15 inches of wire costs 15 cents. At the same rate, how much in cents will 32 inches of wires cost? The first thing we need to look at is finding a ratio. They give us a unit rate here. And a ratio is comparing similar items. So my ratio here is 15 inches for 60 cents. So I'll start there, 15 over 60. And that's going to be equal to 32 inches. And then I don't know the price. That's what I'm looking for. Since we're talking about cents and not really dollars, we can leave it here. And to solve this now, I'm just going to cross multiply and divide. So I'll have 15x equals 32 times 60. And that is 1,920. The next thing I do is divide by 15 on both sides. And that's going to give me x equals 128 cents. So I need to find my ratio, and that I'm going to compare the items together. Let's look at part A. Suppose that 24 inches of wire costs 96 cents. That's my first ratio. 24 for 96. At the same rate, how much will 18 inches of wire cost? So inches are on top, so I'm going to put 18 over the price. So here again, I'm going to cross multiply. So I get 24x equals 18 times 96. And that gives me 1,728. Here we're going to divide by 24 on both sides. X is going to give me 72. Let's practice one more together. Latoya made $242 for 11 hours of work. That's my first ratio. At the same rate, how many hours did she have to work to make $198? So my dollars were on top. I'll put the dollars on top again and put the hours on bottom. Here I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to have 242x equals 11 times 198. That equals 2,178. I'm going to divide both sides by 242. X is going to equal 9. She has to work 9 hours to make $198. Okay, so remember to set your ratios up, cross multiply and divide. Go ahead and practice the bottom two problems on your own.